nasty, 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 nasty.
Shake it fat, punani nani, fat punani nani, that tsunami nami, that tsunami nami, fat punani nani, fat punani nani, that tsunami nami, that tsunami nami, fat punani nani,
Don't
fat
forget
punani
to
nani,
subscribe.
tsunami nami, that tsunami nami, fat.
One day, I was just going through Facebook Marketplace and I found an old short bus that was perfect for turning into a tiny home. I messaged the guy and bought it the next day. Then I got started on the 3D model of how I wanted the inside to look like. Next, I got to work by gutting the whole bus, installing a new insulated floor, changing the door, and absolutely slapping a new doorknob on it. Now I wanted a remote door lock on it that would also function as a deadbolt. So I drilled through the wall and found this long bolt that I could modify into a deadbolt. The bolt and the remote car lock I found online, somehow I needed to connect them. So here's how. I put that hard rod in the hole, then I shaped the metal so they wouldn't come apart, and attached it to the inside of the wall. Attached some wires together. Now I have a deadbolt you can only unlock if you have the remote. I also installed the same thing on my driver's side door. Next episode, I'll show you how I installed a fan and a skylight and how to do the Renegade. Just kidding about the Renegade.
Let me be your Bentley.